I've got news on the human brain organoids. You know, the organoids. Those little human brains that we grew in jars that grow eyes capable of seeing and processing light. You know, the ones that scientists made play Pong and did better than AI and is currently being used to develop biocomputers. Well, the issue of vascularization may be pretty close to being solved. When they grow for too long because they aren't attached to a functional heart, they end up becoming hypoxic. Some scientists try to solve that by placing it inside a mouse brain, and it actually made connections and worked. Well, considering they're able to grow it next to a decapitated mouse and it took over the muscles, scientists figure it could probably work together. So we can actually make larger, more complex brain structures by growing the different structures of the brain separately and then fusing them together. With this, we're able to make more complex brains, and now we're making them mentally ill. With fusion, they're actually able to grow structures that they weren't able to grow initially with the brain organoids, and that includes microglial cells. From here, we may be able to understand different mental illnesses, as well as things like Alzheimer's and plaque disorders. The idea of having a brain organoid that's mentally ill is a little bit concerning when we're talking about biocomputers. I imagine they would always become mentally ill. Although what I'm more excited about is being able to grow different brain structures and fusing it into live brains that have become damaged by TBIs or strokes. Although the ability for them to be sentient is a little bit concerning when we're talking about implanting them into other people's brains, because how much of that intelligence is being transferred, and will that just incorporate itself into the brain structures and become part of your consciousness? I don't know, but I'm at least happy that I have